I'll fire back, which means I'll wrestle back. You know, I just started off with a new golly rap. Soon as I hit the stage, they treat me back. I'm doing this work, I'm not in for the glory or any of that. Every time I spit for him, he's blessing me. One of the many grips are rolling with G.O.D. I just had to say to Jesus, thank you for saving me. Got 10 rhymes and they all filled with G.O.D. As you can tell, I'm not lukewarm or cold. My spirit is hot because I got Jesus in my soul.
More. There's got to be so much more to this life. Oh, my heart is racing just to know what it is like.
Nothing more, nothing less, but this body will test you. While you fast, you hear silent, eat that pretzel. Fasting isn't real, so where's it going to get you? I rebuke you, Satan, get thee behind me. The Lord is your strength, the Holy Spirit remind me. Seeking for weakness, but that lion wouldn't find me. Because God and his angels are standing here beside me.
Yeah! Woo!
Your old friends will tell you, you will never change, but to me it's kind of strange how they still do the same. So I say to them, do you know Jesus? Nothing's out of his range. When I call on him, he answers. Your phone never rings. Clever, right?
Church. I can think of 731 better things to do, even at home, than going to church.
Well, one, I don't want to stay home. And two, today's a kickoff and free food, games, prizes, free Beats by Dre headphones. I mean, come on, I'm not stupid.
Call me stupid now?
No, but you could do something smarter about your Friday nights.
Well, sorry, I can't go. See, I'm going to go to Milk Lounge with all the drinks and all the women with it. Anywho, anybody's going to be here.
So you're calling me a nobody?
No. Milk Lounge is a party type place, and I don't even know what WildFire is. I ain't never even heard of WildFire. I'm off now. See you later. Have fun at WildFire.
Oh, I will. Don't go off running off with strange women now.
Hey, it was one time only, and I was drunk. Besides, he looked better when I was drunk anyway.
Oh.